Hello guys, and welcome back to this video. In this video we are going to take a look back at the Bitcoin price, and a lot has changed since our last video where we made this huge dip right down here and then we were going back up, and I was talking about this line, which is crucial for how we are going to behave in the future. And what we actually saw was a dip. So I closed my long position, I opened the long position here, I closed it right here, and then I was just watching how we are going to behave, and I was looking if we are going to hold the 30k line as we did the recent times. And we did again hold this support. We did not break down, so that's definitely a good sign for Bitcoin right now. If we would have fallen significantly below that, I would think that this downtrend would definitely continue and we would fall to 26.5k, but that did definitely not happen. And so it's actually not looking that bad for Bitcoin right now. And what I was paying attention to in the next time was if we are going to go back up to this line and break it, or if we are getting rejected again. Because as I was talking the last time, the longer we stay in between this range right here between 30k and 35k, the more likelier it's getting that we are going to break the support at one point. So in this case, what we are actually seeing right now is a pretty good price movement, because we are breaking above the 35k, and then we are back in this range between 40k and 35k, which is a much more bullish scenario if we are between these two lines than if we are between these two lines. I mean, we have a lot of trading action between these lines already in here, and it was looking like we are going to move one stair downstairs and then move between these two lines, but that's not what's going to happen. So as we can see right now, we are breaking above 35k, which is definitely a good scenario. So this right here is actually a very good long position. So what I did is I opened a long position right here with a stop loss around 34k. So if this was just a fake out and we are breaking down again, then I can take this position out. So this is my risk right here, getting down to here, and my potential is definitely to play this long up to here. Because that's actually what I'm thinking right now. Since we broke above this level, I would think it's not that unlikely that we are going to test the 40k level within the next few days. So that's actually my plan on how to trade this move. I'm definitely more bullish than bearish right now. Of course, we have to look at if this is sustainable and if this just not a fake out and we're getting back down again. But for now, I'm definitely on the long side. And yeah, this is actually looking pretty good. Let's take a look at some other metrics. For example, the Bitcoin dominance is dropping again a little bit. As we can see, we have been in this huge downtrend, and now we have formed this W pattern right here. So these two, and now we are moving back up again. But actually, this is falling a little bit in the last few days. It's not that much, but at least a little bit. Let's take a look at some altcoins too. For example, Ethereum, which is actually having a big bounce too. For Ethereum, we have seen this channel right here, which has been crucial in the beginning of the bull market. Since March, we have been moving between these two yellow lines. We broke out of it in January at the beginning of this year, and then we bounced off this line a little bit and then moved extremely high, went back to the line and broke down into the channel back again, and now we tested this low, and as we can see right now, we have seen a pretty nice pump, and actually we are now at $2,177, which is actually not a bad price for Ethereum back again. If we think about, we were at like almost $1,700, so this is actually not that bad. Another thing I would like to take a look at is if we go to the Bitcoin price and if we take a look at the daily chart and then look at the RSI, which is showing us if we are overbought or oversold on the Bitcoin price. And as we can see, we have this divergence right here. We are in this, as you can call it, a bull flag, or like in this downward channel right here. We have tested both sides many times. And as you can see right now, we are testing actually the top part of this. So this could actually be the reversal if we are like getting rejected and moving down again, I would see a potential that we are moving down to the bottom of this channel right here. But if we actually manage to move out of this, we are actually not that low in the RSI on the daily chart. As you can see, we are below 50, so we are definitely in the neutral range right here. So if we break out of this, this would actually set me bullish too. Of course, we have to stay above 35k, move in between these lines, and if we break out here, then I would actually be very confident that this part right here was just a big breather. We had just had to consolidate a little bit, and then I would actually look forward to a breakout above 40k again, and that we are going to continue the bull market. All right, that's the good scenario for now. Right now, so far, it's looking pretty good for Bitcoin. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and I hope you have a great day. See you, bye.